It's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Each week we release videos, live streams, and podcast episodes that will help you get money and grow your business. We dive into topics like how to build business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your personal social. We'll show you how to get business credit without a personal guarantee, without a personal credit check, and regardless of cash flow and collateral. Plus, we show you hundreds of cool ways to get loans and credit lines to grow your business. From SBA to fintech and alternative lenders to venture capital and angel investors to little known about funding options, including crowdfunding, grants, and peer-to-peer lending, you'll get the insider secrets on where to go to get funding and exactly how to get approved. And we'll even dive into the secret lending and credit issuer criteria that lenders and credit issuers have to determine if you should be approved and how much money you should get. We even pull back the curtains and show you secret credit reports and other fundability criteria that will help you get more approvals and the most money at the best financing terms. So make sure you click the subscribe button and click the bell beside the subscribe button and select all to get notified when we release new content so you can get the most money for your business at the best financing terms. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you on our next training.